Welcome to PNK Stocks YouTube channel. If you are first visitor, we have 100 plus videos which are high quality videos. Please go and watch the videos and come back to this video where today's video we learn a strategy which will work 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 15 minutes for intraday. The same setup will work 30 minutes and hourly on swing trading and for daily it will work for positional, and then even you can work on weekly for investing. So people run around for intraday somewhere, positional trading somewhere, and investing somewhere. Now one stop solution for all the trades. You need not change anything except the time frame. Let us see the video and understand what it is. Now one indicator, nowadays people are creating artificial intelligence and avoiding fake signals, most of the fake signals where you can see the trend. Even you get a fake signal, you may not be getting out of the trade, you'll be staying still existing in the trade, where these lines will help you to get into the trade till you succeed. So now we'll see how we will be working on this strategy. Now let us see how to enter now. As we discussed, for intraday purpose, we use 3 minutes, 5 minutes, and 15 minutes. And if you are a beginner, then start with 15 minutes. If you are, having around 2 years experience or something like that, then you can work for 5 minutes. If you are a pro trader kind of a thing, for 3 minutes, because 3 minutes is very fast, where you want to go and exit, then it will take few seconds where price may up and down. Even 5 minutes for beginners may be having the same kind of a problem, but strategy is one and the same. So let us now see on the 3 minutes time frame on intraday. In the 3 minutes thing, where you'll be getting into the trade and exiting in the trade from 10 minutes to 15, maximum 30 minutes, you'll be getting out of the trade. See now, entry point, you can see that we plotted one indicator. That indicator color should be red. Can you see here? The indicator color should be red. And then our candlestick thing, that candle should be red. Next thing, there is a yellow line and there is a purple a line crossing yellow line. So this should be, this is a simple RSI indicator that I plotted. I'll explain you in detail. This line should be crossing this yellow line. See now, in this candle we are meeting all these three criteria. This line is red and we have red candle here, and even purple line crossing below. So in this you will be entering trade here, and your SL on top of the first candle or three candles above. If you are more conservative trader, better put your SL here, but this SL could be a challenge for you, because in intraday, that kind of a big thing. So three candles above, the entry candle and two candles above. Then just wait till this RSI line crosses 75, or else you see some candles forming almost in a horizontal way, or else you got the risk to reward 1 is to 3 4, whatever, 1 is to 1, 1 is to 2, 1 is to 3, whatever that you want, you can get, and you can exit. See here, on Nifty intraday, we put our SL less than 40 points, and for target 270 to 441. So this kind of a trade that we'll get with this trade. Okay, now we'll see another one. This is last working day stuff. See, this purple line crossed above the yellow line. This means we have some buy signal. That is, we have some momentum in this trade. And then there is a red line. This is a, you can treat as a trend line. This red line followed by green line started, and then you have a green candle. We'll be buying above to the green candle and putting SL on below low, and then you can riding the trade till you reach your 1 is to 1, 1 is to 2, 1 is to 3, 1 is to 4. What I do generally, if I am working with 5 lots, I'll be exiting 1 is to 1 for one or two lots, then 1:2 another two lots, and at least I'll give one lot till it will reach the trend line, another color red line here. Sometimes what will happen, entire day will be bullish, and there will be 300 points or even more we'll be seeing on particular one day. That day with even one lot we can make around 15,000 if we have 300 points, or 10,000 on the 200 points. So follow in this way. Similarly on the sell side as well, you have working on multiple lots. I strongly suggest for beginners, work with only one lot. You fix your rule that you need to exit 1:1 or 1:1.5. I don't recommend you to wait for 1:2, 3 and all, because initial days you need to have some profit in your pocket. Otherwise, you'll be running out of the stock market. Let us see on Bank Nifty. Same stuff on the same day. We have Nifty and Bank Nifty worked on the similar way. Entry. Now think over. This purple line crossed yellow line, so you will be putting your entry somewhere here, and SL this point, and profit could be, see this big line and then three candles. These three candles we suggesting that prices won't go below, because first candle, second candle, then you need to have this first two candles somewhere where they are taking support. Put there your target and then exit there. If not, if you see any drastic change in this thing, then exit somewhere here. Okay, you need to trail now. Once your entries happen and after three candles are downtrend, then take your SL from wherever you plotted from there to at least cost to cost, where you are not losing anything in this trade. From there, market fallen and you got the profit. Same thing here. Let us move to the 15 minutes and see how this will work. Same RSI tool and this trend tool. We are not changing anything, just changing time frame to 15 minutes. See here, our bullish stuff in the RSI given here itself, but we need to wait to get our first green candle plotted and also this green trend line. Then your entry somewhere here, your SL below to this 4 candles, your target, whatever target that you reach. All right. My suggestion is that though you got a sell signal here, you need to enter here, right? But what you do, better put your entry 50% of the candle. Let us, wherever second candle, third candle, fourth candle, sixth candle also entered there. So in this way, you can have more stuff. Even more conservative traders, put your entry near to this red line. After this first candle, put here your entry. If line is bending, then come close to that line and take entry somewhere here. See, you got an entry here and this is your profit. Bank Nifty, from there to here, you will be getting a big opportunity. $470, $533, 250 points in this small move. Similarly, you got a gap up on that particular day, so we are not working on gap ups and gap zones. Let price come down and settle down, and then you can wait and you can get entry accordingly. Now in this RSI thing, when price moved out of the RSI, and then when price again comes to that 50 line, this yellow line, and then moving, you can start again having an entry there. That will be giving even better result than our first entry. See here, this is our sell signal RSI. This purple line come below to the RSI 50. You are getting entry here as we discussed. Now wait and enter at the red trend line beginning. From there you can have a better result. Now let us see 30 minutes how this strategy works, and we'll see on the Reliance chart. Same stuff. You have one entry here as we earlier discussed. From there, price when reaches to the RSI 50 and taking above, that is best entry, and this is your entry. This 30 minutes trade you may getting result on the same day, or else you need to hold for the next day also. But my suggestion, take trades before 2 o'clock so that you can exit on the same day with the profit. So this is your SL 84 to, see this a small SL, and then see the profit where you got it. From here it's almost saying that price don't want to go above. See this two green candles, doji candles. So this could be your exit stuff. This 30 minutes candle given some kind of a profit when you enter on the red line stuff, could be on the top of the candle your entry, and wherever you want, price is almost giving some stuff on this area where you are getting 1 is to 1 or 1 is to 1.5. So on the gap ups we are not working. When price comes down, at the same time price taking support at 50 and moving up, so your entry could be somewhere here. As per we see that we have a big candles, then we are putting our entry 50% of that line, and SL could be below to that. There is a tough task here, probably our SL might hit, but we know we should leave some room where we need to get some profit. So this trade given 1 is to 2, or else your SL might have hit here. So from there prices, see the candles all are coming here and not going up. This is indication is that price don't want to go up. So after seeing two candles or three candles, place your target almost on top of these candles, the three candles which taking supports where your target is hit here. So trend started somewhere, but any day if price again comes back in the RSI 50 line, that yellow line, and taking reverse, that means this is pullback stuff on the downtrend pullback. So you need to enter somewhere here. SL on top of the previous candle or last three candles. Other candles are down. It's a pullback thing. See the stuff that how much you got the profit thing. 1 is to 4 or 5. So hope you understand this strategy. Now let us see this in the hourly time frame. You got entry here. This is a good candle entry. Take a trade on top of it, or else as we discussed, 50% of the candle. Leave it. If your entry is not declared, leave it and wait for the other candle, and from there see how much profit that you got on the hourly time frame. If you're working hourly time frame, then don't break your head seeing red candles, green candles. In this you may even add Heikin-Ashi candles where you may not see much red candles. This is smooth stuff that you will be facing. I'm telling you only on hourly time frame and above, because that need a few days. Where intraday purpose, if you take Heikin-Ashi, there will be little challenge where entry could be little challenge, where you'll be seeing entry candle will be very big, and then you find some difficulty entering in the trade by seeing Heikin-Ashi candles. So normal candles could be little better. On downside, after forming red candles, entry, and top of it your SL on three candles high or pivot high, then see how much you can ride. You might have exited somewhere here. It's tough to stay till here, but when you see other candles and taking again pull back and coming down, and your RSI says some support near to the 50 line or at the 50 line, then you can still enter here and you can have this stuff. 50 above on hourly time frame, taking trade on above it. First candle high, Heikin-Ashi candle, second candle forming in the middle of the first candle, that is the Heikin-Ashi rule. Entry, and below to this, three candles low or pivot low, you can write your profit. You might have exited somewhere here by seeing all candles forming, this way, though we got little higher. The target, you can even think that, this RSI line reaches 75 or maximum 80, then you can exit. Don't be stay beyond that. And see this small thing on the same day, you may be getting your target as well. Entry, this is your profit. This is your SL. I'm saying, once three candles moves, you need to take your SL back to cost, or else you need to lock your profit also somewhere, putting on above. If you see some bullish candles like this one after another. Now, as we discussed, the same strategy work for intraday, positional, swing, and even investing purpose as well, right? Now we saw 3 minutes, 5 minutes, and 15 minutes, that for intraday, 30 minutes and hourly for swing trade. Swing trade is meant for 2 days to 3, 5 maximum, 1 week. And positional trading is you can hold for a week, 1 month to 3 months. That is on daily basis. So when you are working on swing, then positional, then only we need to look for buy trades, right? Not on the sell side, because our option or future contracts will end up in 1 month to 3 months. So you need to only work on buy side. See how good stuff that you got it. When we entered on positional, we need to see the trend line. We should not exit until this trend line, green line, move to the red line. Till then you can hold it, or else you can think that you got the maximum profit, then you can exit. You might got entry somewhere here, then see profit, how much profit you got. Okay, this even still you work for investing purpose also. For that, take the weekly time frame. We'll take Reliance chart and see. Okay, weekly time frame. When weekly time frame, rules are same. When purple line crosses above to the 50 line and you find a green candle and trend line green, this is your entry, and this is your SL. So this strategy will be having very less risk. The SL part is very minimal. From there, see the profit. Almost 18 points SL, and you 2350 to 2935 or somewhere. So almost, you got around 600 points in this. And duration of your trade, March 20th, not March 20th, maybe somewhere in the November, 4 5 months you got around, that 660 600 points of kind of profit. See now, even if you entered here, given signal, whenever you see a red lines, red candles are forming and price is coming near to that, exit at the cost to cost, or else very minimum at the cost only you might have exited. Whenever you see a trend line change from green to red, better exit, right? In stock market, if you work on 10 trades, even you take any top investor or trader, nobody made 10 out of 10 successful trades, where market will be sideways 70% of the year, 30%, 60% of the year, and 20% will be bullish, and 20% will be bearish, so we need to live with this. Market is like that. So small kind of a sentiments will lead downside, and small some kind of a policies will make market up. See entry here, you got a profit. See this setup came here, taken support. Even see here in RSI 50 line. This is weekly time frame for investing purpose, kind of 6 months to 1 year kind of a stuff. Taken support here and moved up. Your entry. This is profit. So this strategy will be having very less SL and big profit. And same kind of a strategy will work for 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 15 minutes for intraday, 30 minutes and hourly for swing trading, 2 days to 1 week. This trade may be end up in even a single day as well if you get your profit. And daily for positional where 1 month to 3 months. And some kind of a investing purpose where you need not monitor all the time, where in a weekly basis if you find entry, enter in it, wait for 1 month and then watch your trade. Price may not go anywhere, you may be getting little up than not coming down drastically, because if candle is having high potential to upside, then only we'll be finding entries in the weekly time frame. Now we checked on all the stuff, entry, exit, and then how we need to work on intraday, swing, positional, and even investing. Now let us plot this two indicators. I know you people are waiting to find this out. So now let us delete this first. Let us delete even this one. Now go here, plot, just type RSI, relative strength index. Then you will be getting, this is like this. Go to the setting section and need not change anything. Just go here, 50 line, make it yellow color and make this as a line. And if you want little bigger, then click this one. Okay. And this 70, make it 75. This will help you for the target. 30, make it 25. This will give you target on the downside. In this 2 also put a line in this. Right now, what you need to do, RSI, you can have the purple line, make this line as a bigger. So you got this one. Now we need to take the yellow line away, this one. And this 50 stuff, we need to make it line, and this line should be thicker. So you know how to plot this RSI. Now go here, type CM EMA trend bars. First one, CME EMA trend bars, Chris Moody. Just click that. You're not doing anything with that indicator, just using that indicator. These people worked very hard to, using even artificial intelligence to avoid fake signals and given some good indicator. This is just EMA line. If you go and see the EMA line and then see the input, he used 34. If you want to tweak it, you are very pro trader, tweak it this EMA with lesser stuff for intraday where you get more trades, and you want only very less trade on the positional investing, then even you put this 34 to 50, 60 or whatever that you have hands-on experience, then do that and do the back testing as well. All right then, so we are not changing anything in this trend bars indicator, keeping as it is. In the RSI thing, this 50 line we are making thicker, and then we are taking away another RSI thing. We are using only RSI this line, and RSI based MA we are removing that, and rest one in the same. And this top line will be using 75, RSI 75 as our target line, just hint for us to be ready when to exit. And the bottom line also 25 could be our exit line if that price reaches there. Hope you understand this. So I hope you like this strategy with just two indicators. And if you know price action, as you know how to candlestick works and candlestick formation, trend lines, support and resistance, then you can make this strategy even better. So I prepared this for beginner purpose. Just they see enter and exit. When they see green line and price candle is green, and this purple line is above yellow, enter. This is the profit. Our candlesticks meet here. So hope you understand this strategy. If you're a first timer, please subscribe the channel. Please watch this video multiple times to understand better before you trade. I'm not a SEBI registered person. This video is purely educational purpose. Do paper trading, and once you get confidence, then you may work on equities with lesser quantity and check your risk to reward and your profitability, how you are getting. Then consult your financial advisor and then do whatever that you want. Thank you. Watch this video, subscribe this video, and share this video to your friends. Thank you. Bye bye.